The price of your medicine, how is it set? You might think it's up to the pharmaceutical company, but actually it's not that simple. The sale and pricing of medicines are primarily governed by a multi-layered framework of legislation. At the national level, this can include the regulations of a body like the Food and Drug Administration, or FDA in the US, which dictates how a drug can be approved, manufactured, labeled, and marketed. These can take many forms. Reference pricing, for example, benchmarks a drug's price against those in other countries. Antitrust regulations prevent anti-competitive practices that could artificially inflate prices or restrict access to medicines. After years of research and clinical trials, you submit an application for approval. While regulations aim to maintain patient safety and quality, pricing mechanisms can significantly influence affordability and market access. Different countries approach price negotiation and control in various ways, creating a dynamic environment. Now, the FDA checks the drug's safety and efficacy. If approved, they'll assign a tentative approval date, and your drug will face competition. Other companies can now produce and sell generic versions of your drug, which will likely impact your pricing strategy. Legislation that dictates which medicines require a prescription and which can be bought over the counter influences not only the price, but also the distribution channel and the level of oversight. For LexisRx, this means ensuring every medicine we stock and dispense complies with all relevant national laws, including those governing drug approval processes, labeling requirements, and any specific dispensing regulations. Our pricing strategies must also align with any applicable price controls, reimbursement policies, and fair market competition principles. For instance, if a new drug is approved, we must ensure its sale price adheres to any mandated pricing frameworks or negotiation outcomes established by health authorities. Health Technology Assessment, or HTA, has a body evaluate the cost-effectiveness of a new drug to inform decisions about reimbursement. In some countries, governments or payers negotiate prices directly with manufacturers. In others, price caps or ceilings limit how much a medicine can cost. And these laws are all designed to keep prices low without discouraging innovation. And at the international level, there are agreements such as the one that gives the World Health Organization, or WHO, authority over global drug pricing and supply. But specifically, how do these laws affect the price of your medicine? Let's break it down into key areas. First, pricing controls. Second, competition law. Third, prescription requirements. Finally, there's the application. Imagine you're a pharmaceutical company. You discover a groundbreaking drug to combat a rare disease. This complex web of regulations is in place to protect patients, ensure quality, and balance the scales between innovation and access. For pharmaceutical companies and dispensing pharmacies alike, staying informed about these regulations is crucial for maintaining compliance and ultimately ensuring the sustainable availability of essential medicines.